Mastering the Fundamentals of Facebook, a guide to social media savvy. In today's digital age, Facebook stands as a towering figure in the world of social media. It's a platform that has reshaped how we connect, share, and engage with each other. Initially launched as a college network, Facebook has evolved into a global community. It's where friends and family stay in touch, despite the distances that separate them. Understanding Facebook starts with its main features: the newsfeed, profiles, pages, groups, and Messenger. Each serves a unique purpose in fostering connections and sharing content. The newsfeed is your window to the world of Facebook. It's a constantly updating list of stories from people and pages you follow, tailored to your interests. Your profile is your personal space. It's where you share your life's moments, from major milestones to everyday snapshots, crafting your digital identity. Pages are designed for businesses, celebrities, and organizations to connect with their audience. They are a place to share updates, promote events, and engage with followers. Groups bring together individuals with shared interests. Whether it's a hobby, a cause, or a common goal, groups are a space for conversation and community. Messenger, Facebook's messaging app, allows for private conversations. It's not just text, you can share images, videos, and even make calls, making it a versatile communication tool. Privacy and security are paramount on Facebook. With customizable settings, you can control who sees your posts and personal information, ensuring a safe online environment. Engaging on Facebook means more than just scrolling. Liking, commenting, and sharing are the currency of interaction, creating a dynamic and interactive experience. Facebook's algorithm learns from your interactions. The more you engage with content, the better it becomes at showing you what you're interested in, making your feed truly personal. Lastly, Facebook is always evolving. With new features and updates regularly introduced, it keeps the platform fresh and relevant in the fast-paced world of social media. In conclusion, Facebook is more than a social network. It's a complex ecosystem that connects billions, offering endless possibilities for communication, entertainment, and information. Understanding its basics is just the beginning of harnessing its full potential.